Welcome to Arya Honda, your preferred Honda dealership. My name is Azmeen and I'm here to unveil the all-new 5th generation Honda City 2020. Since I'm in an enclosed and a safe environment with limited people around me, I'm not wearing a mask, but I would like every one of y'all to follow the guidelines given by the government and stay safe. With the grand success of all the 4 generations of our Honda City, we are here with 8 lakh happy users and the 5th generation of our Honda City 2020. I would like to call our MD, Mr. Rishabh Sheth, to tell us about the legacy of the dealership as well as the Honda City.
Thank you, Azmi. Since we are in a safe, sanitized and socially distanced environment, I've put away my mask. Welcome to the most awaited event of 2020, the launch of the all-new 5th generation Honda City. Like the Honda City, Arya Honda, our dealership, has a long legacy too. A part of Group Shaman, Arya Honda is the oldest Honda dealership in Mumbai since 2005. Arya Honda has sold over 31,000 cars and serviced over 6 lakh cars, the largest in Mumbai. Operating out of 7 sales and service outlets in Mumbai, it has also the largest spread for Honda dealers in Mumbai. As you would know, the Honda City has been synonymous with the Honda brand in India. It has an iconic status in the Indian automobile industry and has been one of the longest running nameplates in India since 1997. It has always set the future direction for other sedans in the country, and the 5th generation is no exception. With first-in-class features and being the longest and widest car in the segment, the 5th generation City is bound to be a runaway success. Without further ado, let me ask Yogesh and Khalid, our sales head and marketing head, to join me in unveiling the 5th generation Honda City.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I would like to thank Rishabh sir, Yogesh sir and Khalid sir for unveiling the car for us. Now I'll take you through the key features of the all-new Honda City. So we know that Honda is known for its durability, quality and reliability, and also the philosophy by Honda, that is man maximum, machine minimum, which gives you maximum seating capacity in the cabin area for you and your family's comfort. So let me tell you, the great news about the 5th generation Honda City is it is the longest and the widest car in the segment. The all-new Honda City is India's first connected car with Alexa remote capability. Let's go through some of the functions that we can perform with Alexa. But just before that, I will just turn off the lights of the car. So when you're in a mall or a public place and you forget where you've parked your car, you do not need to worry, as Alexa is going to do it for you. Let me just show you how it's done. Alexa, find my car.
You can now notice your car blinking and beeping.
So now let's go through the second function that Alexa can perform for you. It can cool your cabin before you enter it. Alexa, ask Honda to start my car.
Please select temperature of AC as cool, normal, or warm. How would you like it?
Cool. The another helpful feature that Alexa can perform for you is to open the boot remotely. Alexa, ask Honda to open the boot. So now let's move ahead and have a look at all the key features of the all-new 5th generation Honda City. Thank you for joining us for the launch of the all-new 5th generation Honda City. We have maintained strict safety measures at our dealership. We would request you to book your convenient time slot for a test drive or a product demonstration. Looking forward to see you at the showroom. And thank you once again for joining us.